Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the View tab because that's where Grid controls live. Click View, then look for Grid and Guides. This is the control center. Once you see it, uncheck the Gridlines option to remove the visible grid. You're doing this to declutter the slide canvas so alignment tools stay available without the distracting lines. Make sure to work on normal view, otherwise those options may be hidden. Next, refine how PowerPoint handles alignment. Open Grid and Guides to adjust spacing or disable snap objects to grid if snapping interferes. You're changing these so elements still align visually while removing the overlay lines. If you prefer precision, set a smaller spacing. If not, turn off Snap to Grid. Once done, test by moving an object. Make sure everything still lines up the way you expect. To finish, save your slide master or template so the gridless view persists across new slides. Use ruler and manually added guides for precise placement. These stay visible without the full grid, and they snap to objects if enabled. If the grid lines come back, return to View and retoggle grid lines. Also check that you are in normal view, because slide sorter and notes pages show different options. That simple check fixes most reappearance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.